Hi, I'm Austin with Blix, and I'm going to show you how to put the VIP section on your Packa. Let's go!
First things first, let's go over the hardware. You have 4 30mm socket bolts, 8 12mm socket bolts, and 12 washers. You will also be supplied with a 3mm Allen key and a 4mm Allen key. Your first step will be removing the bamboo plate. Unscrew the 6 bolts with your 3mm Allen key. Second step, connect the VIP section to the rack. Place the VIP section on the rear rack, lining up all 4 holes. Insert the 4 30mm bolts in the 4 holes using 1 washer on each bolt. Screw in each bolt evenly using the 4mm Allen key. For your third and final step, screw in the water bottle bolts. Insert the 8 12mm bolts in each of the 8 water bottle holes using 1 washer each. Screw in each bolt using the 4mm Allen key. These bolts can be used to attach water bottle cages or other accessories to the sides of the VIP section.